Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So today we are going to solve the pattern 8 from TUF Plus. So let's try to understand this problem. So here we have given a number n and we want to draw a pattern like this. So let's try to understand this particular problem with example. Here n equal to 4 and what we want to draw is like we want to draw 7 lines, 4 lines as of n, 6 and 7, then 2 3 4 5, then again 3 and at last 1. Okay, so this is the pattern that we want to draw here, and let's try to understand the pseudocode for this. So we can clearly say there are 4 lines, so 1 2 3 and 4, that means rows are equal to n. So we can directly write the first loop for I equal to 0, I is less than n I plus plus. So this way we can write the we can print the rows like 4 rows equal to n. Now let's try to find out some pattern around here. I'll just remove this and let's try to build a logic for this particular problem. So what I'll do, I'll take it here. I hope it's visible now. Yeah. So let's try to number this. So here, like let's say I is going to be a 0, I is going to be 1 here, I is going to be 2, and I is going to be 3. Okay, so till now it is clear, right? So here also we have to follow the same pattern as per our last problem that we did earlier, where like spaces star spaces. So it is reverse of it. So here also we want to print spaces, then print asterisk or star, and then again spaces are there. So let's try to build a logic for spaces. So for the first row we don't have we have 0 spaces. Then for the second row where I is equal to 1, we have 1 space. Here 0 space, here 1 space, here 2 space, here 3 space, 1 2 3, and same way at the end also 0 1 2 3 3. Okay, so we will try to build a logic around. So basically the spaces that we require are equal to 1. So we can say like we want the spaces are like, let's say from 0 to I. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct, because for the first row 0 to I, 0 to 0, that means no space. For the second row 0 to 1, that means 1 space. Then for the second row 0 to 2, that means 2 spaces. And then for the third row 0 to 3, that means 3 spaces. So we can conclude that spaces logic here. So what we will do here is like for j equal to 0 and j is less than I, j plus plus, and we will do print space here. Okay, and the same for loop will be there for the ending spaces also. So we will just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so till now it's clear. This for loop is for the trailing spaces, and this is one for the following spaces at the end. So that is clear. Okay, we have found out that logic using I. Okay, so now and generally these problems are like where given is n, and you have to find out the logic between n and I. Between these two variables you have to find some relationship and find some logic to draw that particular pattern. Okay, so now let's try to identify the main star printing logic. Okay, So I will just remove these. Okay, let me just remove this particular thing. So okay, so for the first row we have 7 star. For the second row we have 5, then 3, and then 1. So like they are decreasing by 2 basically. So there can be multiple logics around this, but yeah, we will try to build something with I and n. So here can we say that the logic is something like this. Let's try to build some formula. 2n minus 2 into 2 into I plus 1. So can we say that 0 to till that point we want to print the star, is it? So let's try to understand if this formula is giving us the correct answer or not. So 2n, what is 2n? What is 2n? 2n is nothing but 8. 2 into 4 is 8 minus 2 into I. So for we are doing this for the first row, right? So first row it is 0. So 2 into 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is 0 plus 1. Okay, 0 plus 1 is 1. So 8 minus 1 comes to be 7. So for this row the formula is correct. Then let's come to the second row. For the second row, let's try to understand it. Okay, so for the second row, 2n is 8. 8 is compulsory. Then 2 into I, 2 into I, 2 into I, that means I is here 1. So 2 into I, that means 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 8 minus 3 comes to be 5. This is also correct. Then let's try to do this for this particular row. Here I equal to 2. So 2 into I, 2 into 2, 4, plus 1, 5, and 2n is 8. So 8 minus 5 comes to be 3. And let's try to do this for the row I equal to 3. So here also 2 into I, 2 into 3 comes 6. 6 plus this one, 6 plus 1, 7, and 2n is 8. 8 minus 7 comes to be 1. So we can achieve this through this formula. So let's try to write that. For maybe k equal to 0, k is less than this formula, 2n, 2 into n minus 2 into I plus 1, and k plus plus, and under that what we will print the star. I hope you are getting this particular problem here. So now let's try to code this here. So for the first what we'll do, we will write the for loop for the rows. Basically I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, then inside that we will write the for loop for our spaces. So for int j equal to 0, j is less than I, j plus plus, and inside that what we'll do, we will print the spaces. System dot out dot print, and what we need to do, space here. Okay, and one more for loop you can write for the like the ending spaces, but that is not required anyways, it will get handled automatically. Or so we will write the for loop for printing the stars. K equal to 0, k is less than 2 into n minus, inside bracket what we are doing, 2 into I plus 1. So that this is the formula, and k plus plus. After that what we will do, we will write the print statement here, print system dot out dot print, and inside that what we'll do, we will print the asterisk or star. And at the end we have to also write one print statement to break the line, so that we missed. while writing the pseudocode. So at the end you can expect the print ln. Okay, so maybe we can try to run this. Compilation error. Why system not? Okay, I missed out on the semicolon. Yeah, so our output got accepted, and test all both the test cases are passing here. So maybe we can try to submit this one. Yes, it got submitted. Let's see the time complexity. Yeah, I don't know what is happening to this feature, but yeah, we can directly find out the time complexity, since we are using two for loops inside one, and also these are running. So basically it is O of n square, and this is O of 1 as usual. Basically for these problems, generally we don't use any extra space apart from the loop variable, so it's O of 1. So yeah, thank you for watching this video.